I like it.
Let me see the card. Open it. Look at it. What does it say?
And you press here.
Alright, look at the other gift.
Yeah.
You ready? Look at your face. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes and look at what you got in there.
No.
Good God.
Here.
Don't break
Yes!
it.
What kind of DS is it?
I'm not sure what color.
It's on the box, buddy.
Oh, light blue. I can't open it.
Well,
You gotta wait.
Look what else
you
you
didn't even
got.
finish in the bag. Look what's in the bag, buddy.
My game.
Let me see the games. Turn them around.
Two
You got Sonic and Star Wars Legos.
That's fine.
All right, give me.
I can't open it.
You happy, Joe?
Yes! I'm so happy. I have Final 3. Yes!
So happy you cough yourself here.
Hey! I'll play a game.
Which one?
I think you know that the charge, John. I think your bag.
Yeah,
What?
let us charge first.
Give mommy and papi a kiss. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Hey, whoa, whoa.
Is it